Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show how to design a logo from sketch to a vector. So let's open Adobe Illustrator and create a new. You can take any size for that. I will place my basic sketch on my computer. Now take a line and make it stroke. Make a copy by drag and press the Alt key. Make another copy the same way and group them. As those, select them and make another copy by drag and press the Alt key. Make it carefully. And press the Ctrl D 4 times and make it group and horizontal align and vertical align them. Select and go to Edit and copy and paste in front. Then go to Transform, make it 225 degrees and go to Edit and make another copy and send it back. And press the right and transform to reflect it vertically. Make a copy and use Ctrl C and Ctrl F for another copy and drag rotate it vertical. Then select all and go to Shape Builder tool and make it carefully. Then finally it looks great. Now select all and ungroup it. Make a copy by drag and holding the Alt key. Increasing the stroke size. Now go to the object and expand all. Go to the rectangle tool and make a shape and select and align horizontally. I hope anyone can make it, so I make it a little faster. Select, go to the Direct Select tool and make the corner 1 pixel. Then go to Object, Path, and Offset Path, make it 5 pixels. Select and go to Shape Builder by holding Alt key and delete and make the other one the same way. Now I will go for text and some color variations and the final one. The colors and font, link in the description below. Hopefully, you enjoyed these tutorials, so please don't forget to share with your friends. So if you don't understand anything, feel free to ask me. So please subscribe my channel to get more new videos. Thanks for watching.